are making mug cake today. First add sugar and cocoa powder and more cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons flour. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Mix it well. Okay? Two tablespoon milk. Well, add 2 tablespoon butter. And it is. Okay, stir. You need to stir it and mix it well. And it's mixing so much. Add chocolate for topping, okay? If you want to make too, so you can also love it. So good. It's put in the microwave on 1 minute, and now it's ready. I love it. It's so good. Okay, it's ready now. Bye. Okay, delicious mug cake is ready. Okay, it's yummy. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for our video. Bye. And Summi's Kitchen. Bye.